Hello YouTube, this is Bloodlight here, and this is the first video series of me getting Terminal, Road to Terminal. Yep, I'm just flipping some items. Here's my bank. Nothing really interesting in this first video, just showing what I have. My bank. So it's everything tab. Junk. No, well, not everything is junk. Like rings of slang are useful. Just I have to clean it up. Rune slash teleport slash staff slash junk that shouldn't be here. I don't care. Potion tab. I worked on this tab for quite a while. And now it's looking quite great. Best tab in my bank. Gear tab. I had bandos in here, but I sold it. Carry Crapier. Slayer helmet. DDEF. Skilling tab, charms, well, skilling and summoning. This was for summoning. My clothes tab, nothing special. Quest tab, quest slash keys tab. Some more skills that will go here, and that's my money making tab. You may ask why I have a vial of water and simple vials. Well, for vials I don't know, but vial of water, because I'm making the unfinished potions. Made quite a good profit. Plus I can do it while flipping. I will be making some flipping vlogs, maybe guides. Yeah, really nothing special for this series. Oh, yeah, I might talk about what I'm going to do. How I will level up my prayer. So I will get 94 with baby dragon bones or dragon bones. I don't know, I'll see. If making money for me will be quite fast, I will use dragon bones, but if it's going to be very slow, I'll use baby dragon bones. And you might ask why I have my goal to 94, not 95 like yesterday. Well, it's because I think I'm going to get last level, or at least half of last level with Zeals. Yes, I will complete Nomad's Requiem quest. I'm almost there, just need 5 more hunter levels. I will complete that quest, which will give me 60 or 70 Zeals, probably 70, I don't remember. And I will get 30 more Zeals myself. That shouldn't be, well, it might take a while, like all day, but I don't really care because it's going to be free prayer XP. And I'll spend 100 prayer point. I will spend 100 zeal, sorry, on prayer at once, which will give me a nice bonus, and it should give me level or half level or almost level. I don't know. Could you tell me in comments how much XP you get from 1 zeal when you have 94 prayer? Because I would really appreciate if you guys told me to. Now, thank you for watching video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.